This window matrix has metallic sparkle in some of those little bits. This is dry, it's not wet, and it's not polished. Even the breaks from an impact have various fusions and melts, not geometric. A lot of green gemmy melts, almost have an emerald look. It fits with this piece. This piece has more gold. This might have been a much larger piece. There's still dark burnt marks, gemmy, heavily fused mud conglomerate. Could just be a sand mix. It could be a granite mix. There's a lot of yellow, gold, more than a pyrite look, and kind of a burnt. This fits keyhole pattern with the other break. Only lab will tell. Again, not wet, unpolished, rounded chondrules, melted inside, heavily fusion crusted. The fuse is pretty thick, some black veins, little tiny black veins, and this one has more gold sparkles to it. Has some airflow lines, not mud flow apparently, unless it was an origin mud flow, which would be a water base, which we already know exists on many other planetary bodies, and seeing as how there are trillions of solar systems and billions of known planets and moons, certainly more, this is common. We just do not have the current technology to know more by exploration or invite. If that is the case, there's been an intentional exclusion. I wonder why. Perhaps it's the hate, discontent, and destruction of own planet and abuse of own people that make extraterrestrials exclude a particular species from a universal community inclusion. I'm sure that could be fixed and adjusted if the right people represented and could show respect of extraterrestrial communities and peoples without bias, without hate, discontent, and fictional delusion in lieu of fact, and lack of conquering and abusing with intent to mislead and abuse extraterrestrial people would probably, and I'm sure most people's opinions, be a step in the right direction to being accepted, rather than flying probes around going, why won't you talk to me? Can't you show us? We want to conquer the universe. We want to be a part of your universe. Can you have your community? Would you please? How come you won't talk to us? Why are you doing that? What's going on? Did we do something wrong to your people? Did you happen to see some of our fictional bullshit that we said we're going to conquer and made you all look everybody ugly and hateful? We're so smart. I don't think that that's the most interesting representation of the current hominid human species that would be invited to, Universal Community Homeowners Association meetings. I'd probably get a great big nope, I'm assuming.